Guys, fuel injectors came, and what the freak? It comes in a case? Nobody tells me this stuff. Oh. Okay, hang on. Quality assured. I just go ahead and get rid of that. Don't need that or going. Oh, doctor. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to put up a video on YouTube real quick well, first of all, I keep our Instagram updated pretty often, so follow our Instagram and then you'll know all this stuff. But for the people that are keeping up on the Mustang build on YouTube only, I just want to give you guys a little update. So I have this side of the A-arms back on, steering rack is back on, steering is connected again. I kind of got rolling on my fuel filter relocation kit. You can see as the thing's going there. And what else do I got? Okay, let's get this going here. Pop the hood. Okay, so here we are right now. Turbo is in place. Here's that. I had to move my ABS controller. I had to like make a bracket for that to go down. I got to make some new AC lines, but the radiator and fans in. Oh my god, it looks so good. And then look at this. I got a coil over in right now. So kind of getting it back on its wheels here soon. I had to replace a ABS sensor that I broke when I first started tearing this thing apart. So yeah, that looks really good in there. Got the next side ready to go. Threw some good old paint on there. Oh yeah, so today I'm working on taking apart the rear brakes because I got all the brake calipers off, and I painted these not very well a long time ago, silver, and I really like the silver, but I'm gonna do a way better job. Take them all 100% apart, paint them again before I put them back on the car. So I'm doing that right now. I'm still waiting on my buddy Jeff to kind of really give me a for sure spot to put this. Once he tells me that, I can get going on that, because I didn't know how to make those lines, but I was messing around with it and I figured it out. So that is happening. I just didn't really want to bore you guys with a bunch of little stuff. I kind of just wanted it to be like wham, like all right, we're here. And then one big thing we're waiting on is the fuel system. And my today injector showed up. Oh yeah, fuel injector clinic. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Why are these like almost as sexy as the turbo? But okay, so those showed up today. And now we're just going to be waiting on the rest of the fuel system, which I don't know exactly when that's going to be showing up yet. But that is a little update for you guys. We're getting real close. Obviously got to put the rest of the turbo kit on, but that is just like wham bam stuff, you know. So just working on this steadily. Been more like horsing around on the pit bike. I gotta stop doing that. I gotta stop partying so much and just really focus up. But there's a little update for you guys. For you guys keeping up only on YouTube, but follow our Instagram, and I will keep you guys updated as we go. The more parts, once the parts show up, once the rest of the fuel system shows up, then I'll do like an actual legit video, like putting in that fuel system and then hopefully buttoning up the rest of the stuff. So super pumped on that. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video when when the rest of the fuel system shows up. So yeah, talk to you guys later.